Good day, watchers. I'm back. Another day, another watch. Or should I say months, since I haven't done any watch video for a while now. I have this watch that I really wanted to share with you guys. A very affordable mechanical chronograph watch. From looks alone, this watch should easily cost a few grand, right? Well, what if I told you this fancy piece isn't 5 grand, 2 grand, or even $500 for that matter? No, this watch can be yours for closer to $150. Want to find out about this watch? Keep watching then. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video to help this channel. This watch is made by a huge company you've probably never heard of. The Tianjin Seagull Watch Group, or Seagull as they're known colloquially, was founded in China in the 1950s, so it is older than most company watches right now. This is one of the most affordable mechanical chronograph in the market right now. Arguably, their most popular watch is the 1963. The one I have here is a modern version, effectively a reissue of a Chinese Air Force watch called the Project 304, whose final prototype was conceived by the original Tianjin factory in 1963. First, I have this watch for a year now, and it has gone through different straps, from the original leather and native strap that came with it, to a rally strap, and now this. I figured that since we have blued hands, why not a blue native strap? Tried it, it worked, and now I am keeping it as it is. If you go to AliExpress right now, there are two sizes, the 38mm and the 40mm. I think there was once a 42mm. This one is the 40mm. So let us go to the actual measurement. Case size is 40mm. I'm getting 50.5mm on the lug-to-lug. Thickness is 14mm. Nice. Lug width is 20mm. Standard sizing, which is amazing for people like me who likes to change straps. Now, the lug-to-lug size is very long if you ask me. Probably the reason why I can't see the 42mm anymore. Let's see how it wears on my 16.5cm wrist. That's a 6.5 inch. I would say this is the perfect size for me. The 42mm would have the lugs go over my wrist. The dial design looks straight out of 1963 era. A creamy dial, blue hands, and gold accents. And a dial is sloped at the circumference. A close reincarnation of a vintage watch as you can get hold of in this day and age. I appreciate that the gold markers and the red star at the top center could be seen as obnoxious. I think the blue hands complement the yellow tone pretty well, and legibility is a non-issue given the high contrast. The champagne dial glistens slightly, though I wouldn't call it a traditional sunburst as there is no directionality to the reflected light. It looks more premium than a standard flat dial, I would say. The Seagull is constructed of the industry standard 316L stainless steel, and in the hands it feels awesome. While it lacks faceted surfaces or a variety of finishes, the glossy look is done to a top-notch standard. and the whole thing is very neatly cut with precise edges. Even the crown and pushers complemented the whole look of this watch. It also sports a sapphire glass for that optimal clarity and scratch resistance. But there is also an acrylic option if that is your thing. The case back is done in hexagonal pattern with a sapphire window, which showcases my favorite part of this watch. The movement is an ST16 Seagull, manual hand winding, and 21 jewels. It has a vibration frequency of 21,600 per hour and can last up to 45 hours when it is fully warm. I found the movement gorgeous, and it definitely enhances the appreciative value of this watch. So my thought, I love the whole look of this watch. I love the colorful combination of the red and blue guns, the gold indices with that red and gold star logo. And I really love the movement. I just have to watch it go before even wearing it. Definitely one of the greatest value in mechanical chronograph watches today. A lot of YouTube channel has reviewed this watch with matching appreciation, including the channel One More Watch and Teddy Baldessar. And if this big YouTubers recommends it, I will also do the same. So go get it. The prices are still going up last time I checked. Thank you for watching and keep subscribing to help this channel. See you next time.